Kentucky Chucky. It's about 5:15, and we were about to enter into our second period of this ice storm. We're still without power, about 18 hours worth right now, and you can see we have considerable damage. Trees down everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. And right now there's more sleet. Freezing rain's coming our way just as I speak, and sometime around midnight it's supposed to start snowing on top of it. Wet snow. So our weather girl, the snow bitch, is going to enjoy that one. Well, we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Kentucky Chucky, bye. A very wooded area right across from my house that is just non-stop crashing. Well, of course it stopped. I'm filming. Okay, this is Kentucky Chucky for Kentucky Chucky News, and I'm at News Central, which is now my vehicle. Listening to the radio, and it's 6:30 right now. We're still out of power, and apparently we're going to get another quarter-inch to half-inch of ice before midnight tonight, in the next 5.5 hours, and then possibly turn into snow, 3 to 5 inches of snow by the morning. And none of that is good. More ice means more trees crashing down around us. The snow that's expected is to be a wet snow, which will stick to the ice and stick to the branches and just continue to mess things up. Again, we're still without power here. For the first time I've seen not a snow plow, but a neighbor with a cat cleared our street out, and so we got kind of a clear road out front. It's just been an amazing day, and I really have no idea what's in store for me tonight, my family here tonight, other than what the radio's just reported. I'll have more pictures in the morning. For Kentucky Chucky News, this is Kentucky Chucky. Okay, this is Kentucky Chucky, KCTV News. It just reported things were going to get bad. Yeah, you can't really see it. I got a big ass branch in my fucking driveway. Right behind my van. That was big. It's only been 15 minutes since I've taped last, and the big branches are coming down, and I'm very worried because of the back half of my living room. None of those branches have come down yet, and that's the biggest tree on my property, and they're big. This won't be a problem. I can pull it off the driveway. I just don't want to get out there and do it right now. I don't want something crashing down on me, and I got no place to run. It'll be there in the morning. Here's a good idea as to how thick the ice is on these branches. This is Kentucky Chucky for KCTV. I'm out of here.